Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add Sam's Club card to your Apple Wallet. It's a very easy thing to do. You can add it by Sam's Club app, or you can also do it from your wallet app. So what you have to do is, if you want to add it by your wallet app, you have to know your card number, expiration date, and CVV. And what you have to do, first open your Apple Wallet, then click on the plus icon from here. Now then select add to wallet, then add select the option debit or credit card, and after this put your card information, your card number, expiration date, security code, etc., and your card type, and then follow the prompts. And that's it. That's how you can add your Sam's Club card to your Apple Wallet. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like. Thank you for watching.